See? For real. You can drive. I think that this right here kind of messed up too, a little bit. This part, but it closed. It closed. It closed now. Yo, man, day in the life at SFA, man. What we be getting it in, man. I'm here with my guy, man, checking out the car right now. He checking it out. He finna go check it out, man. He brought the truck in the trailer. And we just here dealing and willing, man. You know what I'm saying? I got everything. You know what I'm saying? My guy checking it out. I know he be flipping cars. He just try to get over on me, but this the guy, man. I'm short selling some shit. I really know the price of how much it is worth and what's going on. I really know the price of it. You know what I'm saying? Look at that big dually up here, man. My boy in the big dually right here. That's what I'm trying to get fixed, my shit, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm blogging, man, while I'm out here, man. You know what I'm saying? They got the new car dealer, man, and they got the car flippers, man. You know what I'm saying? Which one you gonna be, man? You know what I'm saying? I'm letting my nigga ride that motherfucker at 100 miles per hour right now, man. You know what I'm saying? He doing his thing with that motherfucker, checking it out, man. You know what I'm saying? Man, this a real YouTube channel, man. This ain't none of that bullshit, man. Welcome back, you know what I'm saying? This that real uncut shit right here, man. Straight from the motherfucking trenches. Did you want you come up with a joint like this? Fool, them folks ain't gonna listen to your shit. Hey, some people, the hood people gonna like your shit. The hood people gonna like your shit. You be talking like that, though. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying, man? Welcome to today's blog, man. See if it's a yes or it's a no, man. You know what I'm saying? And then on to the next deal, just like that. You got scanner? Put it on. Whatever. I think. Ain't no scanner in there, bitch. Shit, what my scanner at? See that bitch. It was in here though. Shit. You don't see it? I like it. The truck. What the key? I got it.
Ahí adentro donde está el caso de los el asiento que tengo yo al frente, el coso negro.
Yeah, man, we out here. Damn, I thought I had a scanner in there. I thought I had a... Here you go.
Sí, esa. Ajá, esa se levanta para arriba la güey. Ajá. Vale, Javi. Dije que estoy comprando un Honda Civic, pero le escucho como un sonidito que le hago. ¿Será alguna balinerita del sensor? Ah, dale, lleva. No, esa suena bien, el motor suena bien. Dale pues, Javi. Hey man, is for the video YouTube?
Yeah. I'm just chilling.
It's good. 1,000 man, right now man. Is almost problem. He's checking. I little speak English. No. He's checking his radio.
Yeah, radio. It worked, but
Yeah.
it's not. So you tryna buy and resell it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, I got two cars, right?
Mm-hmm.
I got this, and I got a 2009 Mazda.
Uh-huh.
And on the Mazda, everything runs perfectly fine, and it's just the door. It's been in.
Okay.
It's you can go on the
Speak to her?
huh?
You speak to her?
Yeah, it's you can go on what's the name and look at it on the Facebook.
Oh, on Facebook?
Yeah, on the sign post. Damn, my phone just went dead. But you can go to the sign post that I just posted this one on, and it's the sign car. Maybe we can work something out for both
Oh,
if you like it.
okay. What those?
I wanted 14, but I do 1,050.
Yeah. 205.
Yeah, I know 225. Yeah.
25.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's clean.
Yeah.
$40. It's clean.
Okay.
Oh, it's problem.
It's
Yeah,
yeah.
it's fresh.
Oh shit. Yeah, I know that. See, I bought it.
Hello.
How? I bought it to fix it up and sell it during tax time,
Yeah.
but I'm finna go out of town.
Yeah.
So I was trying to sell both.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I'll make you a deal. You want to just this one, or you interested in the other one? Just this one.
100 man. 1,000. Sorry.
What?
Right now. 1,000.
You would do 1,050. 1,050.
Bang. It's 5 days.
I know.
40 on 35.
Fuck it,
It's
man. I'll tell you.
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah, I'm finna go get the title, man.
Okay.
Yeah. Give me them titles up there. It's up there. Just give me both of them papers. Both of the papers. The envelopes, yeah. They said that somebody called them. Shit. I got This is
No, it's 4.
4 F250. Nah, I'm bullshit. I think it's the clear tire. Right here. Clean. I already signed out. You just sign it to whoever you want to sign it to.
Okay.
Bill of sales,
Okay.
everything.
Okay.
Everything right.
Perfect. Shit.
Oh, you don't need that, bro. I got it. Okay. Yeah, it's right here too.
Only me.
You interested in the other one or no?
What?
You interested in the other one or no?
No.
Just Honda.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. It's Victory Mazda, man. My.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, deal.
It's Victory Mazda, man.
Huh?
It's Mazda.
Mazda.
Yeah.
How
much?
I would say shit. Nah. I would have did 25 for both.
25.
But the other one have a Savage title.
Oh, okay. It's Victory on my phone.
It's on there though.
Yeah.
Like you can go to the how you go to the listeners. I mean the person.
Marketable? Oh,
yeah,
person.
Yeah, me.
Okay.
On there.
Oh, marketable.
Yeah, marketplace.
Face.
Yeah, go to the marketplace.
Marketplace.
My phone did. I will show you the picture straight up. Put in. You can put in. Well, shit. Get you right. It's a 2009.